Good morning. It's a very special moment here in the RV in the morning here in Baja because I am making my entire breakfast with a solar powered battery. It's at 100%. I just boiled some water for tea, make a little chai. And now I'm toasting a little sourdough bread that I got from a bakery so I can put, of course, peanut butter and Nutella. That's the way it is. So yeah, it's a very special morning here because of that. So thanks, solar power. Appreciate it. I think it is day 15 now, and we have really started cleaning out the property. And as you can see there, if you've been paying attention to the other ones, there is the RV. I can see it from all over here, and there's not just piles. There's our backhoe that has been clearing out all this brush and burying it and digging out holes. So we are opening up this property and turning what is a scrub land into a a desert beach paradise. And the desert part is better than tropical because who wants that humidity? The dry air with the combination of ocean, all the ocean breezes, really, really nice. And the hot sun and the cactuses in the open. So if you look over there, there's a hole that we're burying all the brush in because we're being sustainable about this. We're burying it in the ground so it can regenerate and regrow. And I'm not just being a facetious jackass about that. I'm actually being kind of serious because that's what we're doing. Yeah, and that's kind of what it looks like there. We've got this pile still to bury there. And I've got to get to work now. Okay, this is now the front of the property. See this massive opening here? This is our front driveway. We go in, there's a little laneway there. It goes to the washroom. Here's the truck parked and the RV parked behind it there. We're gonna go over to the washroom where we've got the tank up there. We've got the hoses going in, the propane tank that's for the water heater that Joel's installing right now. Here's the, let's open this up. There's Joel installing the water heater. Here's all the piles of debris. And then over to the, there's the, you can see stands there, or the frames, two of them set up. We would probably have to move those, especially for the guys to go in and clean up the stuff. Here's the RV setup. There's Miguel playing on his phone. And we set up the, ow, 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 ow. There's fucking cactus spikes everywhere here. Tent set up as the shed right here. And yep, exactly. And then we go through here. This will be hard for you to see, but we've gone through and cleared out spaces for tents. Boom, right there. And then we go through this section here. Put a tent right there. Boom. And then tents right over there. Boom. And then you just keep going. We've cleared out spaces like that all along.